Hi everyone, welcome to Math Minds. Our learning target for this video is I can describe the transformation of a rational function. Now let's take a look at some vocabulary. Transformation. A change made to a function's graph, such as shifting, stretching, compressing, or reflecting. Vertical shift. Moves the graph up or down. This is shown by adding, subtracting a number outside the function. Horizontal shift. Moves the graph left or right. This is shown by adding, subtracting inside the function. Reflection over the x-axis. Flips the graph upside down. This occurs when the function is multiplied by -1. Reflection over the y-axis. Flips the graph left to right. This occurs when x is replaced with -x. Now let's take a look at the problem of the day. Describe the transformations from the parent function, f of x equals 1 over x, for the following rational function. Part A, f of x is equal to 0.5 times 1 over x minus 7 plus 2. We're starting off with the 0.5 being multiplied to our function. This means that we will be having a vertical compression of 0.5. This is also due to the fact that 0.5 is less than 1. We're then going to be looking at the 7 being subtracted from x in the function right over here. Due to this being a subtraction, we are looking at a shift to the right 7 units. Lastly, we have a 2 being added to our function all the way at the very end, and this means that we are going to be shifting 2 units up. Now let's take a look at part B. F of x is equal to -5 over x minus 2 plus 4. So we're going to start off with the 5. This is going to be a vertical stretch by 5. We're then going to look at the 2 being subtracted from x. This is going to be a shift to the right 2 units. We're also going to be looking at the 4 being added to the end of our function. This is going to be a shift up 2 units. Something we want to be careful about are negative signs. There is a negative symbol right over here in front of the 5, and due to that negative symbol, we also have a reflection over the x-axis. So please be careful with those negatives. That's it for this video. We'll see you on the next one.